What is happening, party people? This is Brett Jackson Boogie out in my backyard garden. I'm going to show you how I build my gardening vegetable raised beds. So I use concrete blocks. It'll last forever. These are about 15.5 inches long. So the first thing I do is I measure the width and then the length of the bed that I want. And in this case, I'm actually going to use the foundation of my house as the back wall so I can save on concrete blocks. And the bed has to be 6 to 8 inches tall for the soil in order to give the vegetables all the nutrients and everything they need, have enough soil for the roots and whatnot. So I'm going to show you after I build the bed. I'll get back to you. So as y'all can see, I have finished the construction of the concrete block bed, and now I'm going to show you what I put in it to fill it up with soil. It's got to be 6 to 8 inches. So I put 1 part topsoil and 1 part manure until it gets full, and then I put a layer of potting mix with fertilizer on the top just to make sure that those bonnie plants or those seedlings that you put in get a good start. So that's the way I build my beds. Now these are only like the topsoil and the compost mixed with manure, they're less than $3 a bag at Lowe's or Home Depot. And this potting mix is kind of expensive. I think it was like 18 bucks, but that fills up like almost 4 cubic feet of soil. So anyway, there you have it. 1 part topsoil, 1 part compost, and then a layer of potting mix with fertilizer on the top. Thanks, peace out. If you like my material, hit subscribe or go to the next video. Thanks.